interior design enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing the perfect placement for round rugs in your home. Round rugs can add warmth, visual interest, and a touch of whimsy to any space, but finding the right spot for them can sometimes be a challenge. Let's explore some ideal locations to showcase these stylish rugs and enhance the beauty of your home decor. Let's start with the living room, a popular gathering space where round rugs can make a significant impact. Placing a round rug beneath a coffee table or in the center of a seating arrangement can anchor the space and create a cozy focal point. Opt for a larger round rug to accommodate all the furniture legs or a smaller rug to define a specific seating area within the room. In the bedroom, round rugs can add a soft, inviting touch to the space, especially when placed beneath the bed. Position a round rug partially under the bed, extending beyond the sides and foot of the bed to create a sense of symmetry and balance. Alternatively, place a smaller round rug at the foot of the bed to add texture and visual interest to the room. Round rugs can also enhance the dining experience in the dining room. When placed beneath a round dining table, a round rug can define the dining area and add a layer of comfort and style. Choose a rug that is large enough to accommodate the table and chairs, allowing for ample space to pull out chairs without catching on the rug's edge. The entryway is another ideal location for a round rug. Placing a round rug in the entry foyer can create a welcoming first impression for guests and set the tone for the rest of your home. Opt for a durable, easy-to-clean rug with a non-slip backing to withstand heavy foot traffic and prevent slips and falls. Last, consider placing a round rug in your study or home office to add warmth and visual appeal to the space. Position the rug beneath a desk or reading nook to define the workspace and create a cozy atmosphere conducive to productivity and creativity. And there you have it, some perfect places to put round rugs in your home. Whether in the living room, bedroom, dining room, entryway, or home office, round rugs can elevate the style and comfort of any space. Experiment with different placements and rug sizes to find the perfect spot for your round rug and enhance the beauty of your home decor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!